We're unboxing the BioLite Camp Stove 2 today. This is a cool gadget that we actually got for an emergency situation, but this is good for a backpacker. It's a small camp stove, not too big, that essentially allows you to use sticks and dry material to recharge a built-in battery that puts out 3 watts of power output. So not only does this allow you to cook using the stove itself, but also you can turn fire into electricity, recharging a device such as your phone with the actual thermal energy from the unit itself. This version 2 touts 50% more power. There's now a smart LED dashboard that shows you the fan speed as well as the onboard 26 milliamp hour battery that can charge devices easily with or without live fire. Nice. So this also is a low smoke device. You can see that this uses twigs, sticks, and pellets, 3 watts out, 2 amps on by USB, and included in this is the BioLite Camp Stove 2, the BioLite Flex Lite, the Stuff Sack, micro USB cable, fire starter, and instructions. All right, so let's take a look at this. Packaging is a little interesting. There is this belt, if you will, that is stickied on. There we go. So take that off. You can burn it later. And there is the stove. So the stove, let's see if this comes out. Gotta give it to you guys for packaging this thing pretty tightly. Let's see if I can pull this out. There we go. All right. It's not the Apple design of box. At least I can't figure this out. Why is this all tethered funny? No idea. Dave, why don't you give me a hand here?
Okay.
You want to grab the box? All right, there we go. All right, so back. This is out. Oh, these are probably the accessories, huh?
Yeah.
It's kind of windy out here tonight. Looks like there is a tether. Somebody has brought the s'more kit out. If you want to test that. There we go. A little
Big enough?
I don't know. Let's take a look. So here's the battery. So this battery, by the way, is lithium-ion powered. Let's see, by itself. Well, look, it's already halfway charged. And it looks like there is...
Is this the roasting part?
This is where you will put in the
Battery?
the fuel.
Oh, so this?
Not yet.
Well, but
Looks like we have the carrying case in here. So notice the
oh,
stuff
and there's one more
sack.
thing in there.
BioLite stuff sack. What else do we have in here?
Garbage.
Just garbage.
Okay.
And then looks like this unit goes up into here. But we're gonna have to remove this bottom portion. Oh, look, it has instructions over here. Hey. Warranty. Energy
Yes,
everywhere.
Chinese. Nope. That's a coupon. Aha! Instruction manual. What's English? Dutch. Okay.
Alright, looks like these little feet fold up here too.
Yeah. I can't find it.
And these stove feet seem to fold out in order, I believe, to make a little tripod here. So it makes a tripod. The camp stove sets itself up like so. Alright. So this seems to attach through here. And we have... Can I hold this for a second right here? Alright. Looks like we have this part right here. Goes in there, I'm guessing. And then this part folds probably out like so. Alright, so now we have that set up. We have, what else do we got here? I think this is just the LED light. Oh, we got some fire starters, so little peat moss things. And it looks like they have a mini USB cable and a light. So the light, if anything, can plug into the USB device, which is right here. So that's kind of nice that they have a rubberized cover for the USB port. And then let's see. Let's see if this light works here. There we go.
Also, it
Little
charges
light.
the battery. That's what the fire does.
So I think the fire here charges this over here,
And then that will go into the battery.
or it
and
heats
then,
up this over here, and that helps recharge the battery.
And then the
And
battery,
the battery
will
uses a
produce
fan
something
here,
like that.
yeah.
That's cool.
So there's a thermal component. So there's the little camp stove itself. Let's get this going and see what it does.